Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, no they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, and when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
It is bye-bye EOS time.
It is bye-bye EOS. We are actually going. We won't be back. We're not coming back in half an hour. We've got 31 knots. Whoa, just got hit by a massive spray.
Just looking at the sea conditions and it's already starting to pick up.
I'm just absolutely gripping it and I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
That's the first time I've ever seen a dolphin.
Our anchorage is over here. Not a bad place to wake up. So we're just about to set sail for leg 2 of our trip to Rhodes. I'll have a quick flick around the boat, but should all be good to go from yesterday. Laura's doing a workout, or looks like she just finished, and I'll show you guys around. Over there we've got a castle. And these are the other boats that are anchored up from last night. What are you doing, Laura?
Finished.
Do you feel better now?
A bit, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, a bit. I'll do something when we get there as well, probably.
Well, we just need to get ship shape inside.
Yeah.
And then all I've got to do out here is pick up the anchor, or raise the anchor.
Probably sunbathing, been sunbathing.
Oh yeah.
It's drying off.
What have we got there?
She had to have a bath. That's a mosquito net. She hates putting up every night, but I make her do it.
And what's your tactic for getting me to put that on?
Telling you that I won't let you go to bed until you do it.
No, you become more annoying than a mosquito.
That's what all wives do. We just nag like a mosquito goes until something gets done. But Poppy has had a bath. She smells amazing because Noah dropped her in the toilet when he went for a wee last night.
Oh.
She had a little bath, she's dried off, and he'll be happy now because he goes a bit crazy when he hasn't got Poppy. Right, I'm going to get ship shape.
Let's get ready.
Yeah, let's do it.
Quick flick around. So this is Astypalea, nice and calm in the bay. Another beautiful day in Greece. Got a bit of wind. I think it's going to be good sailing conditions today. We're just about to leave and set sail, but I thought I'd quickly show you some of the equipment or safety gear I get ready. So in here I have charging stuff, so I can charge my phone, iPad, which are our backups, and we've also got my wallet, headphones, hip flask in case we have to abandon the ship, very sharp knife, a monocular which I can take a bearing off, also got bearing compass, a very powerful plug-in halogen torch, and a handheld VHF radio, sunscreen, and there'll usually be water in there as well. Then we've also got life jackets, grab bag which has an EPIRB in it, water and some high energy foods, and quite a lot of offshore flares. Also flippers, snorkeling mask and swim shorts. I always like that to be quite close to hand in case we get snagged up on something and I've got to jump in the water. Got the fuel tank for the tender, which we can always drop really quickly, and also a ketch anchor underneath, and the tender anchor as well, which lives there. We've got our life raft here and our man overboard gear here. That for us just provides a lot of reassurance. If there was a man overboard scenario, we'd also throw these in, which are quite easily seen. So we've done the engine checks, all the equipment checks, got all the cupboards, secure, and anything that can fall over packed away. And now we're going to start the engine and lift up the anchor. Once you get above the anchor, it's it's good just to stop, let the boat go forwards over it, and it tends to yank it out without putting any pressure on the windlass. So we're off. I can't wait today, I'm really excited today. After yesterday being in 30 knots of wind and today being in more like 14, it's going to be a breeze.
So we're just leaving Astypalea, as Ross would have told you all about. Astypalea. Just leaving Astypalea right now. It's really pretty. We've been here overnight and that's it really. Literally got here, anchored up in the dark 3 times. Anyway, that got done last night. We had a good night's sleep. And oh my gosh, the sea looks a lot friendlier today. So
yeah, we're in the bay.
We're in the bay. I know that, but it still looks friendlier. That's what I said yesterday morning before all hell broke loose. So we'll see what happens. I'm in a good mood because I've managed to get some exercise in today, which I didn't do yesterday morning before we went. So I've done a really nice little superset upper body session. Bit of a fat burning one because I did some plyometrics in between sets and I pretty much supersetted everything in an hour, so I squeezed in about 2 hours worth of exercise in 1 hour. But I'm pretty good at manipulating things when I need to, being an online coach. So I'm happy. Boys have had breakfast, saved all their homeschooling for the trip today. Ross doesn't like eating before he goes anyway. There's a smoothie in the fridge for you. I don't know what you're complaining about. You can eat whenever you want. Ross is putting in the waypoints. Is that my cue to shut up? Yeah. Okay. Right, I'm going to go down anyway. We're going. So, see you later.
She talks a lot.
See you later.
A lot of editing on this.
Shut up. So if we're getting the mainsail out, does that mean that there's going to be not that much wind then? Am I right?
I think it's going to be in the teens today.
In the teens.
Should be able to have it all out.
Okay, that makes me feel good because that makes me think that I'm starting to realise that if Ross only puts a little bit of sail out, it's going to be windy. So if he puts all that out, it's good news. Light winds. Hopefully, not a crazy day. I really don't want to be crying again.
So we're just motor sailing at the minute, trying to find some wind. I think hopefully there'll be some more once we get outside the bay. But got all the waypoints in, she's on autopilot, just had a good look around. So I thought I'd do a quick little talk with you guys just about yesterday and how I'm feeling about it. Actually feeling a little bit guilty. I feel like I underestimated the sea conditions yesterday. The wave height got up to 3 meters and they were all terrified. It was horrible to see, particularly my wife, just so upset and so scared. She has fibromyalgia, as you probably already know. So stress is not a good thing for that condition either. I looked at all the weather before we left at 7 o'clock in the morning and it was all looking good. Basically we just took a leap of faith and went for it, and I wouldn't say got caught with our pants down. I think we all handled it really well, but it wasn't pleasant for them. For me, I've been in conditions like that before. I've sailed from Plymouth to Greece, but that was the first time I've had no other crew on board, just me controlling the boat and having your family on board, and the pressure of just having them on board, having their lives in your hands on top of controlling the boat in that scenario was quite a lot. Yeah, just coping with that now, I guess. It would be quite good to hear your comments on that. If any of you are experienced sailors, maybe you could give me some feedback.
Guys, this is boat life on the go for you. We're travelling to Tilos today, and because we've got a bit of shelter from islands, it's not too wavy, which is lovely. And I'm just getting some jobs on. So I've had a shower. Yes, I'm not naked. I know it looks sick because I've done that. But I've had a shower, and at the same time, I've done a load of washing while I'm in the shower, so that saves water. And just in here, I'll show you now, I also have a lovely muesli bar baking. That is what you call multitasking to the max. So this, you guys, is a on-the-go, quick, easy, nutritious muesli bar, well, it doesn't, obviously it's going to make bars, it's not a bar in itself, but it's just a quick thing I do to bake to make sure that we've got some grab and go stuff for good sustainable energy, healthy and tasty, and very easy.
We've got our mainsail out, but we're motoring because there's no wind. Holly's itching to go and sail, she doesn't like motoring. This is the bay. So we've got full sails out. This is the sea conditions today. Still a bit wavy. Not half as bad as yesterday.
Jurassic World, the debate over
Watching the new Jurassic Park, aren't we, Noah?
The island's moral question. Do dinosaurs deserve the same protections given to other endangered species, or should they be left to die?
So here we are at Tilos. We go around the corner, find a nice anchorage, hopefully. Apparently, there's an ancient settlement here somewhere. It might be there. Our anchorage is just down there.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
We're going to toy shop tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, but maybe on the weekend. Okay. Where are we going tomorrow?
We're going to Rhodes.
That's right.
Daddy, you just said that
We're going to be in Rhodes tomorrow. Yeah. But we're going to anchor up, and then in the morning the next day we're going to go to the marina, and at that point we'll have a look around and maybe go to a toy shop. If not, we'll go to a toy shop on Saturday.
You just said that we'll go to a toy shop tomorrow.
How can I go to a toy shop tomorrow when we're going to be sailing? Do you see any toy shops around? Any around anywhere? No. So we need to go to a town first, don't we? We're going to go to Rhodes town, aren't we? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. You got anything you want to say to our viewers who
Well,
watch YouTube?
I'm sailing.
We're sailing. Okay.
Yeah.
Got anything else to say about it?
Yeah.
What's that?
We're going to toy shop tomorrow.
Man overboard situation. Branch.
Daddy, I nearly lost
Where is he? There he is.
He's about
Branch
to
overboard.
coming.
Daddy's gone to rescue him. Which has solved the problem of whether or not we take the boat off the tender off the boat or not, because we were debating it anyway.
He got him!
He's got him! And I'm going to go for a walk by the looks of it. Wasn't sure what to do, but I've been on this boat 2 days now and going a bit crazy. Well done, Daddy! Well done!
Thank you so much. Pass me the whip. Pass me.
Well done. I think Branch needs a bath. Man overboard number 2. Noah's devastated. It's Poppy this time. That's in the space of 10 minutes.
Where is she?
She's just run under you. Move, Ali. Move, Ali. She's there.
She's there, floating face down. Poor old Poppy.
Oh goodness!
No, I'm going to give him a grab.
Who dropped me? Did you drop me?
Yeah, I forgot.
I can't believe you dropped me overboard. You're supposed to be looking after me.
Yeah, I think.
Sorry, I just forgot that.
Don't put me near the edge again. Stay in the cockpit, okay?
Whoa,
Promise?
okay.
Promise?
Well, yeah, I promise.
But you overboard next, Noah.
Catch.
Hi guys, so we've made it to Tilos. We're just on the hunt for some food at the moment. There's a little harbour back there. So got off the boat, just having a wander around. There's a park, which the kids are getting very excited about over there. And we're now just looking for gyros for the boys. We're now 10 hours from our final destination of Rhodes, which we're going to be getting to tomorrow. And we're just, yeah, this is a cute little place, right?
Yeah. Let's see what's down here.
Another supermarket that we could have gone to.
Yeah, this one's better.
Probably. We'll shop on the street, as you do. We'll shop.
Then we've got to taste the
Cute,
park.
cute little restaurants. Okay, I think we found gyros. There we go, happy days.
Noah, can you see Mummy anywhere?